Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're on the hunt for a high-quality lace front wig that delivers volume, versatility, and a natural look, then stick around because today we're diving into the 30-inch body wave lace front wig made from 100% unprocessed Brazilian virgin human hair. This wig promises an HD lace front, a full 180% density, and a pre-plucked hairline with baby hairs for a flawless, realistic finish. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. First things first, this is a 13x6 HD lace front wig, meaning you get a deep parting space that allows for more styling flexibility. It's designed with an average cap size of 21.5 to 22.5 inches, featuring adjustable straps and 4 combs to keep it secure. The hair itself is 100% virgin, meaning it hasn't been chemically processed, giving it a natural softness and silkiness. According to the description, this wig is shed-free, tangle-free, and can be dyed, bleached, straightened, and restyled. Sounds impressive, but how does it actually perform? Right out of the package, the first thing you'll notice is the fullness. This wig truly delivers on its 180% density claim. It's thick from root to tip without feeling overly heavy. The body wave texture has a beautiful bounce to it, making it easy to wear straight out of the box or customize with styling tools. The HD lace is thin and blends well with the skin, but if you want an ultra melted look, using a bit of lace tint or foundation can help match your complexion perfectly. The pre-plucked hairline is a nice touch, though some may still prefer a little extra customization for an even more natural effect. In terms of wearability, the adjustable straps and combs do a great job of securing the wig without needing glue, making it beginner-friendly. However, if you want extra hold, applying an adhesive or wig spray will lock everything in place for longer wear. Shedding is minimal, nothing excessive beyond what's expected from a human hair wig. As for tangling, with proper maintenance, such as using a satin bonnet at night and keeping the hair moisturized, it stays smooth and manageable. Now, if this review is helping you so far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so more wig lovers like you can find this video. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, this wig delivers high-quality human hair that's soft, thick, and versatile. The deep 13x6 lace parting allows for creative styling, and the HD lace is thin enough to blend seamlessly. The cap is breathable and comfortable for all-day wear, and the wig is glueless, making it easy to throw on and go. On the downside, while the hairline is pre-plucked, some might still want to do additional customization for a fully natural look. Also, while shedding is minimal, with a wig this long, you'll need to maintain it properly to prevent tangling over time. Lastly, since it's 100% human hair, the price point is higher than synthetic alternatives, but that's expected for the quality. Compared to similar wigs on the market, this one stands out for its combination of density, length, and HD lace quality. Some wigs in this category have thinner lace that's harder to blend, or they don't offer as much parting space. However, there are budget-friendly alternatives available with slightly less density or smaller lace areas if you're looking for a more affordable option. Build-wise, the lace is well constructed, light, breathable, and durable. The hair itself feels strong and has good elasticity, meaning it can handle heat styling without easily becoming dry or brittle. With proper care, you can expect this wig to last several months to a year. As for customer support, this brand has a solid reputation for providing reliable products, though individual experiences may vary. If any issues arise, it's always best to check their return policy before purchasing. So, what's the final verdict? If you're looking for a long, voluminous, and high-quality human hair wig that blends seamlessly and offers versatile styling, this one checks a lot of boxes. While it does require a bit of customization for the most natural hairline, it's an excellent option for anyone who wants a premium look without the hassle of excessive shedding or tangling. If you're interested in trying it out for yourself, check the comments for the link. And if you already own this wig, let me know your thoughts. How has it worked for you? Thanks for watching Beautyistic, and until next time, keep your style flawless.